recent deaths of more than a dozen children in Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, reportedly linked to cough syrups contaminated with diethylene glycol or DEG, have once again brought this industrial toxin under intense scrutiny, exposing the deep cracks in India's pharmaceutical quality control. Now, what exactly is DEG? It's an industrial solvent which is colorless, odorless, and deceptively sweet tasting. It's used in brake fluids, paints, and lubricants and is safe only in controlled industrial use. But if it is contaminated with other consumables, for example, pharmaceutical grade ingredients, even in trace amounts, it becomes lethal, damaging the kidneys, liver, and nervous system. As little as 1 ml per kilogram of body weight can be fatal for an adult. 50 to 100 ml can cause death. For children, even a teaspoon can be deadly. The mortality rate ranges from 30% to 100% depending on how quickly treatment begins after exposure to DEG. Now, while propylene glycol is safe and widely used in medicines, cosmetics, and food, ethylene glycol and diethylene glycol are industrial grade chemicals and are lethal if they are consumed. Because they look, taste, and behave similarly in manufacturing, DEG can slip in if the source material is adulterated. And that's what has caused repeated mass poisonings worldwide, according to experts. They also point to the fact that the substitution often happens due to cost cutting, poor supplier oversight, and lax testing, especially among smaller manufacturers. A stark example, in Indonesia, the cough syrups made by Pharma in 2022 contained up to 96 to 99% of ethylene glycol. The company didn't test its inputs and relied solely on the supplier certificates. Multiple children died in that episode. And this is not the first such tragedy. In 2020, 12 children died in Jammu and Kashmir, 2022 at least 66 in Gambia, and 18 in Uzbekistan.